Have you ever wondered how a device that fits in the palm of your hand could do so much more than just connect you to the internet or play games? The iPad Mini 7 is here, and it might just change the way you think about compact tech. It's not just a miniature version of the iPad Pro or Air. It's a powerhouse in its own right, designed to be the perfect companion for a range of everyday scenarios. From students rushing to finish assignments to professionals who need to juggle multiple tasks at once, this device is shaping up to be an essential tool for all walks of life. But how does it manage to stand out in a market flooded with tablets, laptops, and smartphones? Let's take a look at 7 practical ways the iPad Mini 7 could elevate your daily life. Imagine it's your busiest workday. Emails piling up, presentations looming, and your to-do list growing by the minute. The iPad Mini 7 is more than just a tablet. It's an AI-powered assistant that helps you get things done faster and more efficiently. Thanks to the A7 Pro chip, Apple has introduced features that bring artificial intelligence to your fingertips in ways we've never seen before. Whether it's drafting an email or organizing a report, the device uses AI to analyze your context, suggesting text for emails, improving grammar, and even adjusting tone. Need a visual for your presentation? No problem. The AI-powered image editor can turn rough sketches into polished, professional graphics. For anyone who relies on high-quality visuals or smooth workflow, whether you're a student working on a research paper, a business professional managing a project, or a content creator designing social media posts, the iPad Mini 7 proves that big productivity can come in a compact form. Now picture this. You're working on your MacBook, and the screen just isn't big enough. You've got multiple apps open, a project you need to finish, and files scattered all over your desktop. Enter the iPad Mini 7, which can transform into a secondary display for your MacBook. Using Apple's Sidecar feature, the iPad provides extra screen real estate that wirelessly extends your Mac's display, making multitasking easier and more efficient. Whether you're coding, designing graphics, or editing videos, the iPad Mini 7 offers you a flexible, clutter-free setup. This feature is a game-changer for anyone who needs to work on the go and demands versatility in their tech. When it comes to note-taking, the iPad Mini 7 takes things to a new level. Whether you're in a meeting, brainstorming ideas, or jotting down lecture notes, the combination of the iPad Mini 7 and the Apple Pencil offers a writing experience that mimics paper, but with all the benefits of digital technology. The device's size makes it the perfect digital notebook, portable enough to carry anywhere, but powerful enough to handle a variety of tasks. With apps like GoodNotes, Notability, and Apple's own Notes app, organizing your ideas has never been easier. Plus, iPadOS 18 introduces features like Math Notes, which automatically solve equations as you write, making this an indispensable tool for students and professionals in fields like engineering or finance. For content creators, there's nothing quite like having a reliable teleprompter on hand. Whether you're recording a vlog, giving a presentation, or filming an online course, the iPad Mini 7's compact size makes it an ideal teleprompter. Apps like PromptSmart and Teleprompter Pro allow the iPad to follow your voice and adjust scrolling speed in real time, giving you the ability to deliver your content with smooth, confident pacing. The size of the screen is perfect. Not too big to be unwieldy, but large enough for easy reading, even from a distance. For creators who need to get their message across clearly and professionally, this is one more way the iPad Mini 7 stands out. Let's not forget about the avid readers out there. The iPad Mini 7 might just become your go-to device for reading, whether you're diving into a novel, reviewing reports, or studying for exams. Unlike traditional e-readers, the iPad Mini 7 supports a variety of formats, from Kindle to Apple Books and PDFs. The Liquid Retina display offers crisp text, while features like True Tone and Night Shift reduce eye strain, making long reading sessions much more comfortable. Plus, the device's compact size means you can take your reading material anywhere. And with the ability to annotate and sync notes, it's perfect for students or professionals who need to stay organized. Now, for the gamers out there, the iPad Mini 7 isn't just a tool for productivity. It's also a portable gaming console. Thanks to the A7 Pro chip, this device can handle graphic-intensive games with ease, providing smooth performance and fast load times. Whether you're playing fast-paced shooters, immersive RPGs, or strategy games, the iPad Mini 7 offers an experience that rivals that of a console, all while fitting neatly into your bag or pocket. The device also supports controller inputs, so whether you're relaxing at home or on the go, you can enjoy your games wherever you are. And when it comes to entertainment, the iPad Mini 7 is your personal cinema. The device's Dolby Atmos sound and upgraded display offer an immersive viewing experience, whether you're streaming your favorite movies, watching YouTube videos, or attending virtual lectures. It's lightweight, comfortable to hold for extended periods, and perfect for those long flights or lazy afternoons in bed. Professionals can rely on the crystal-clear video for video calls, while students can use it for online courses. It's more than just a tablet. It's your portable theater, turning any environment into an entertainment hub. At the end of the day, the iPad Mini 7 proves that great things come in small packages. It's not just a smaller iPad. It's a device that can help you stay productive, creative, entertained, and connected, all while offering the portability that so many of us need in today's fast-paced world. Whether you're a professional, a student, or someone who simply enjoys having a powerful, portable device, the iPad Mini 7 seamlessly integrates into daily life and truly shines in every scenario. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.